Hello friends, good evening all of you. So today's session we are going to see about research ethics. So this is the last topic. It's still one more topic we have in the research aptitude. Next we are going to see two videos. We are going to see completely the PYQs only. So already I informed that it's a research aptitude full and full. It's a theory part. So theory part how we have to apply. The elimination methods we have to use. Some tips and techniques we have to use while attending the questions. So already I said so many questions. Okay. Now we can move on to the topic. What is research ethics? So research ethics refers to the principles and guidelines that govern the ethical conduct of research involving human participants and animals. So these principles are designed to ensure the research is conducted in a manner that respects the rights, dignity and well-being of individuals or animals involved. So some ethics we need to follow that while doing the research. That only it's going to describe, that's all. So research ethic is an essential aspect of scientific inquiry and helps maintain the integrity and credibility of research findings. Okay, what is the meaning and importance of research ethics? So here just you can see here research ethics refers to the moral principles, values, guidelines. So normally we are going to do on research means we have some predefined rules. Predefined means that is a systematic rules. That rules we need to follow step by step procedure we have to do that. The same thing, it has values, guidelines that governs the conduct of research. So it involves ensuring the rights, safety and well-being participants and maintaining scientific integrity and upholding the trust of the public. So it is a crucial following reasons. First one, scientific integrity. Why the research ethics uphold the integrity and validity of the research process. And compliance, so ethical guidelines ensure it has to follow everything, so ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. And ethical decision making, so ethics guides researchers in navigating complex ethical dilemmas. Collaboration and reputation, so ethical practices foster collaboration and enhance the reputation of researchers and institutions. And what is credibility and trust means? Ethical practices enhance the credibility and trustworthiness of research findings. What is the objectives of ethical research? Research ethics means first one, protection of participants. So here research ethics focus on ensuring well-being and rights of research participants if involved concern, risk minimization and adequate safeguards. Everything it will see and it will do protect from this one. So scientific integrity. So research ethics uphold the integrity and validity of research process by promoting unbiased data collection and analysis and reporting and preventing fraud and encouraging research producibility. And social responsibility. Here research ethics also ensure that the research is carried out in a manner and benefit individuals and society as a whole. And ethical issues in research, it's a validity. So here research methods should align with research questions and focus on intent and purpose, sure. And sampling, so sampling, what is sampling, what are the types of sampling, so everything we have just we have seen in the last video. So sample should be logically justified, free from bias and consistent with research design. And confidentiality, so participants identities and data should be kept confidential and provided. Vulnerable groups, so special care should be taken for sensitive groups in research. It will be very secure. And beneficence and malfinance, um, researchers are responsible for protecting participants and public from unethical practices that it has to verify clearly. And informed consent, so informed consent research, actually the participant should be fully informed about the research and potential risk. And plagiarism, so research should not present someone else's work as their at present in their own work as they have to write everything own. So without plagiarism they have to do. So multiple forms of uniqueness, it's very important here. And fabrication, manipulating, for example someone they are taking it their they're taking someone articles or journals, they are manipulating means that is called fabrication. So manipulating and altering research outcomes is unethical here. These are the rules we need to follow while doing this research actually. Falsification, Falsification means actually research should not manipulate research materials or omit data to misrepresent the research. That also it has to check. And components of ethical research, first one, integrity. So researchers must upload trustfulness and honesty in their findings and adhere their moral practices during the research process. And objectivity, so research work should have a well defined and directional objective, ensuring it focused and unbiased approach. And professional competency, so researchers should possess the necessary skills and expertise to handle, analyze and interpret data accurately, ensuring the true nature of the research outcome. And confidentiality must be there, and professional behavior. And principles of ethical research means, first one, respect to autonomy. So researchers must respect the autonomy and rights of research participants, allowing them to make informed decisions regarding the participants in the study. And beneficence, so researchers should prioritize the well-being and welfare of participants, minimizing harm and maximizing benefits. And justice and fidelity and responsibility and participant the recruitment also, it must be that those are the principles of ethical research. Actually principles and components, everything we have to say. Subtopics, if you have to study more, no need to work out so much. Actually theory we need only keywords, that's all, it's enough, and so heading and subtopics. And just to see, we can see some question. The research that aims at immediate application. Always the keyword immediate means that is called action research. And identify the correct sequence of research steps. Already we have seen some of the questions. Again, maybe it will be repeated questions because this are the repeated questions very often we are getting. Okay, that's we have done. So here first is selection of topic, review of literature, data collection, and interpretation of findings. So these are the actually correct one. Next one, deconstruction is popular method research in actually what? So here, which method, which method of research you are doing means literature review. Okay. And the principles of fundamental research means always the fundamental research is used for applied research. Actually, the fundamental research used for applied research, and the action research, what is the immediate action, that is called action research. And one more thing, experimental research, and these are the research, it's very often regular questions they're asking actually. And the research stream of immediate application, wherever it will come immediate, that I told you already, that is action research. Which is the main objective of research means, just one word we can say, that is a finding new facts. So discover new facts and make fresh interpretation of known facts, that is called as the objective of research. And the researchers is interested in studying a prospects of political party and urban area. What tool should be preferred for the study? Means here, what tool for data collection like this? Here we can use questionnaires, this type of pattern. And the research paper actually contains peer reviewed originals, research and evaluation of research conducted by the others. In a thesis, figures and tables are included, in the text itself it will included. A thesis statement is an assertion. And next one, what is the aim of educational research? So educational research, normally research means finding a new fact, searching a new facts and principles underlying the process of education. And next one, once again. Okay, so what is fabrication? What is plagiarism? What is falsification? For example, I will take as a plagiarism. Plagiarism means what? So actually, this is called using others' ideas and words with credit. Okay, so plagiarism is actually, this is one, it will come. So automatically we can take this one. Okay, 2 will be the answer. So this one you can remove, this one also we can remove. Now D4, same option they have given. Self plagiarism means reusing one's own previous work without citation. That is called this one. This is a D4. So D4 no need to check, because that we have chosen 2 option. When the 2 option also D is equal. So equal means no need to check. No, so that's a leave it. Now A option, what is fabrication? Fabrication means what? Making up data. Just they are going to use the data, they are going to make up the same data, they are going to make up and results. That is called fabrication. Falsification means misrepresenting the data on this one. So like this, actually, whenever the getting match the following questions, really I will tell you one or two answers. If you know, just we can move on to the next question. So here we can use elimination method. Many questions we can use elimination method. It will be a best this one techniques actually. Okay, so next one, which type of research encourages participant perspective? Actually, that is called encourages participant perspective keyword. That's ethnographic method. Which one of the following research producers will figure under post-positivistic approach? Already we saw what is positivism and post-positivistic approach. Here it's a ethnography study only. Okay, next one. One of the following is not the objective of action research. Means here you can to improve the working condition of school. Here this is also one of the action. Simulate the students raise their standard. That also improving. To motivate the students to attend school means that's not the objective of action research. Action means that's going to take action to organize healthy and cognitive environment for effective learning. So which one is not they're asking? And what is the aim of educational research? Again, the same thing, searching new principles, new facts and principles. I hope this is clear. Just we have seen teaching aptitude and research method only. We are seeing this everything is a theory part only. It's not so much of a calculation. So next, within the after two videos, we are going to start actually ICT paper and logical reasoning. Really, ICT paper is a theory as well as we have calculation also. Some technical oriented terms also we have that. It will be very easy, but ICT papers nowadays we are getting is new questions, new types of trending based questions we are getting, like AI, like this one aid teaching aids, and like this they are asking. So depends on the topics I'm going to take. So kindly watch full video and subscribe this channel actually. So thank you all of you. Thank you once again.